Hi everybody, Tom from Tom's Finds, and today I'm going to be showing you the Muvez. So we're going to be unboxing this together. As you can see, I've got a pair right here. Muvez was, they successfully funded in September of this year, doubled their crowdfunding goal, so really cool to see. Always love seeing Kickstarter, Indiegogo campaigns complete their project and deliver an awesome product. So I'm really excited to unbox this with you today. So if you don't know what these are and you didn't see the Kickstarter campaign, basically, long story short, what these are is they're a combination of athletic shoes and slippers. So it combines the two. It allows you to kind of remove the sole so that when you go into somebody else's home or even in your own home, you can keep your shoes on without tracking all of that dirt and grime and all the other nastiness that's on the bottom of your shoe. So I'm really excited to unbox this today, so let's jump in. So first of all, the packaging looks great. You got this cool little pull tab here, so I'm gonna pull this nice magnetic box. Ooh, yes, look at that, black on black. So of course, I believe this style is called Vanta Black, and of course fits me perfectly. I love black on black shoes, triple black Adidas, all that all day. And these look awesome. They look great. So there's the sole. So in here we've got our two shoes. They've got a nice little thank you note. Super cool, showing you kind of like how to set them up. But let me close this and let's look at these bad boys. So here we go. Here they are. Designed in New York City, so very cool. This is definitely like a nice durable material. Looks like you could collapse that back, which is nice to use it more as like just a slipper rather than a slip-on. I definitely like that. Let's try pulling these apart. So I know you'd use your heel, you'd like step on one to do that. It's cool how it's like kind of a protection thing. But I'm just gonna pull this apart here. I don't want to damage the shoe or anything like that, so pull that apart. That was pretty easy to do, and I'm sure with a shoe it'd be even easier. But as you can see there, magic. You've got this really awesome base, which of course is interchangeable with the same size of shoe, which is super cool. So that is awesome. It just would slip back in there, and then look at this. That is cool. So very lightweight. That's the first thing that I noticed about this slipper is it's a very lightweight, definitely seemingly comfortable slipper. Definitely looks like there's a lot of attention to detail put in here. And then to bring it back, you just slide it in there, pop it back in, like that, voila, and you're good to go. So these are some really awesome shoes. Definitely check them out. And you can check them out. I'll put a link in the description so you can learn more. Hopefully, see if I can get you a discount on this. But yeah, these are the Muvez. Really happy to have been able to unbox them. Thank you guys so much for sending me over a pair. And yeah, I'm excited to see you on the next one.